Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Manli introduce the Polar Fox GeForce RTX 5070 graphics card in a new color option. So friend, the new version of the RTX 5070 from the Polar Fox series and have now surfaced, and Manli has completely redesigned its 50 series lineup, and the company has moved away from its previous military green color scheme, which was difficult to match with most PC components, and adopted and more conventional black and white cooler design that should improve its market appeal. And the RTX 5070 launched 2 months ago, and Melody introduced a Polar Fox model with a white and blue theme, and today the company is adding a new version featuring a white and teal color scheme, and it seems Melody may have concluded that its original blue was too dark, and similar models were not released the RTX 5060 Ti series, and now the RTX 5070 lineup include two variants with slightly different color accents, and there is no changes to clock speed or back rate design. So friend, there are minor updates such as the additional of the Polar Fox logo and some traditional decorative elements. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.